This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is another really low mileage bike. 2,698 original miles on the odometer. This bike needs a rider. The color of this like new 28 Ultra Limited is Twisted Cherry. It is a metallic color. It really has to be seen in person in the sunlight. I'm not sure this video or the pictures will really bring out the color of it that well. It is a Rushmore Project bike, so it does have the redesigned frame, redesigned saddlebags, redesigned Tour Pak, redesigned front end. Batwing Fairing has been redesigned. They've added a vent to help reduce the buffeting not only for the rider but for the passenger. A lot of great improvements. There's an LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light, nice chrome contrast cut wheels front and rear, of course ABS brakes, Harley Smart Security System, cruise control, heated grips. Has the 6.5-inch boom stereo system, which has AM, FM weather band. You can also Bluetooth or hardwire music from your iPod or your phone directly into the stereo system, and then control it either with the color touch screen or the hand controls on the handlebars. Also has GPS navigation. Beautiful color. Being the 18 model, it has the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. Mated to a 6-speed transmission, so you have plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the highway, over the hills. A nice accessory that's been added to this 2018 Ultra Limited is the new Harley Davidson Sundowner Touring Seat. A nice upgrade from the stock seat. It does have the stock exhaust on it. An accessory that also has been added is the adjustable Tour Pak. This right here, you can slide the Tour Pak forward or backwards to get just the right seat position for your passenger. LED lights on the Tour Pak. This bike has great visibility for your safety front and rear with all the LED lights on it. Nice chrome premium luggage rack. The Harley luggage is included for the saddlebags. Makes it real handy to stow your gear and to get your gear back off the bike when you hit your destination. This bike is in just like new condition. The Twisted Cherry paint job on this bike is just gorgeous. looking for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2018 Ultra Limited. Don't get stuck paying MSRP and throwing down about $30,000 on a new one, and then tossing in another $2,000 on accessories. Don't get stuck with all the dealer mystery fees. Get tacked onto a new bike, and call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.